In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMS in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to streamline customer communication or just explore the platform's functionalities, following these steps will get you up and running in no time. Let's begin by heading over to the HubSpot website. Once you've navigated to the home page, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will allow you to enter your HubSpot account. After clicking Login, you'll be presented with several sign-in options. For a quicker login experience, you might want to click on the Sign In with Google option, which enables you to effortlessly use your Google credentials. Choose the account you wish to associate with your HubSpot access, and with a few clicks, you're in. With your account all set, navigate to the Service section. You can find this by looking around the dashboard, and it's an important step as this will be your hub for setting up messaging. Once in the Service section, look for Chat Flow and click on it. This will direct you to the area where you can manage and create your chat communication strategies. Now, directing our focus to the Mobile Chat tab involves just a simple click. This is where we'll streamline our communication processes, specifically focusing on SMS. Locate and select the Create Chat Flow option from this tab to start crafting your message flow. Moving right along, click on Mobile, which is crucial as it filters your options to mobile-specific interactions. With those basics set, we proceed by clicking on Set Up Chat. This selection reinforces your focus on mobile text communications. As you advance through this setup, you'll see another mobile option appearing. Go ahead and select it, ensuring you're building the right kind of chat for mobile platforms. Next, click on Next, then follow it up by clicking Next once again. These clicks lead you through the setup process, laying the necessary groundwork for your SMS features. Now, you should be prompted to input details in your mobile tab. This step involves typing in your relevant information to customize your mobile chat experience. Continuing with the setup, you'll click Next again, bringing you closer to the final stages. You'll then need to copy the provided tracking code. This step is essential. This code must be integrated into your website to ensure the chat flow functions properly. Finally, the last step is to verify the installation. By clicking on Verify Installation, you confirm that the setup is complete and operational. And there you have it, a fully fledged SMS system within your HubSpot account, ready to enhance your communication processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy chatting!